Well, hello, class. I hope you are all doing well this evening. It's Sunday night, about 8:30, and I just wanted to kind of go over because I know we have a late day class, so I just want to kind of go over all the things that we're going to cover in our 2.5 hours tomorrow night. And there's a couple of things. Number one, your proposals are due tomorrow, so please have them ready to turn in. They should be on a hard copy of your proposal commitment sheets with everyone's contribution, okay? And who's doing what in the project. And it should have a hypothesis and a series of goals to prove that hypothesis. And we've talked about this over several times of what's needed. And in fact, I put some cool videos up there for you to look at on how to put a proposal together. I want you to be able to articulate in that team commitment what you're going to do. So those proposals should have a very definite um, set of goals for each person on the team. Because remember, this is going to be your roadmap for your project. Once you start getting into the wiki, which is the next thing, and we'll talk a little bit about that tomorrow night too. That's just a template that you guys are all working on while you're drafting up your paper. So it's important, I'm looking for junior level work now. So the point is, I really want you to be able to write a hypothesis, set the goals for that hypothesis, and know the team commitments. Those are the three major parts of this proposal, okay? Um, a lot of you have had me before for business management. You know what I'm looking for. So help your teammates out if you can. The other thing is there are three cases, okay? Two teams are going to work on each case that you see below um, in this particular announcement, all right? Those are the cases we're going to be working on. All of you should have been looking at your reading, listening, and viewing. That's why I put these modules up ahead of time for you to look at these weeks, okay? Again, we only meet once a week, so we're trying to get in as much as we can. So the first half of the class is going to be on perception because that's the next section in your book. And then the second half of the class is going to be the workshop on the case studies. So, at the end of the night, just before maybe about 45 minutes before we end, each one of you is supposed to be getting up and talking about, okay, even if you want to put a PowerPoint slide together, but if you don't have time to do that right now, um, you're going to talk about your contribution in this case. So there's three cases that are up there that I've put together some time ago. So that's in your workshop. So you get to look at your reading, listening, and viewing, and then get up and get ready to talk about it tomorrow night. Okay? The other thing is you're going to have your first case study assignment, and that's also in your learning activities folder. So take a look at these things and be ready for tomorrow night. I look forward to it.